Want to stop using voicemail on your iPhone? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off voicemail on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off voicemail on your iPhone, open your settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then select the Phone app. Select Call Forwarding and ensure this is switched off. This will stop your calls from being forwarded to voicemail. Then select Live Voicemail and turn this feature off as well. To ensure that you aren't paying for voicemail if you won't be using it, be sure to contact your mobile service provider and ask that they remove voicemail service from your phone plan. That's all it takes to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. If you're just looking to switch up your voicemail greeting, check out this tutorial to learn how to change it. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.